Good morning, students. I am R. Gayatri, working as assistant professors assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. Today, I am going to discuss about the topic of Hyperlan, which is under the topic of wireless LAN technologies. Hyperlan is an European family of standards on digital high-speed wireless communication, which operates of the frequency band of 5.15 to 5.3 GHz and 17.1 to 17.3 GHz spectrum, which is developed by ETSI. Hyperlan is designed to work without any infrastructures. Thus, two stations may exchange the data directly without any transmission, without any interaction from the wired or radio-based infrastructure. The simplest Hyperlan thus consists of two stations. The Hyperlan requirements: short range 50 meter, low mobility 1.4 meter per second, networks with and without infrastructure, supports isosynchronous traffic, audio 32 kbps and 10 nanoseconds latency, video 2 megabits per second and 100 nanoseconds latency, supports asynchronous traffic, data 10 megabits per second and immediate access. Types of Hyperlan. Hyperlan 1 is specifically designed to support the ad hoc computing for multimedia systems where there is no requirement to deploy the centralized infrastructure. It effectively supports MEC or other state-of-art real-time digital audio and video standards. Hyperlan 1 MAC is compatible with the standard MAC service interface, enabling the support for existing application to remain unchanged. Hyperlan 2 has been specifically deployed to have a wired infrastructure providing the short-range wireless access to wired networks such as IP and ATM. The goals of Hyperlan: it is used to provide the quality of service, to provide the multi-service network, strong security, handoff when moving between local area and wide areas, increased throughput, easy of use, deployment and maintenance. And obviously it is having affordability and scalability. The Hyperlan family, it is having classified into four types: Hyperlan 1, 2, HyperAccess and Hyperlink. The Hyper 1, which is wireless Ethernet extension to the wired infrastructure, which operates in the frequency of 5.1 to 7.1 GHz. Physical bitrate will be 23.5 MHz. And Hyperlan 2, wireless ATM, wireless multimedia services, 5 GHz, and its bitrate will be 6 to 54 megabits per second. Short range up to 200 meter wireless access. HyperAccess, outdoor high-speed radio access, point to multi-point services it will be provided, and it is operating over 5 GHz, and it is having a data rate of 25 megabits per second, used to connect the Hyperlan 2 deployment that are located far apart to 5 kilometers away. Hyperlink, it provides the high-speed radio link for wireless point-to-point static interconnections, and it operates in the frequency range of 17 GHz and with a data rate of 155 megabits per second, used to connect the different Hyperlan and HyperAccess with high-speed link over the short distance up to 150 meters, which can be communicated. The Hyperlan architecture, where the mobile terminal will be connected and access point will be done. The mobile terminal will be connected by using direct mode, and it can be communicated by using the centralized mode, where in a centralized mode both mobile terminal will be communicated by via access point. and it is having a fixed network where fixed network will be having IP, Ethernet, ATM and UMTS and etc. Assessment. What is the full form of WLAN? Which is a wireless local area network. What is the name of 300 megahertz of unlicensed spectrum allocated by FCC in ISM band, which is classified into UNII. Thank you. If you are having any questions, post in the comment window.